Hi, I'm Chris Haigh and this is the Fiddle channel, and today I'm going to show you Jolene. Jolene was a big hit in 1973 for Dolly Parton, and it's probably still one of her best known songs. She did it in C sharp minor, but we're going to take it to C minor, which is a much more friendly fiddle key. It's a favourite, I think, in country bands where the band is playing for people who don't necessarily know a lot about country music, but they know what they like and they know that they like Dolly. So this is a song that you may well end up doing at some point. And you may even want to do it as an instrumental because it's got a nice, strong, simple melody. So I'm going to show you the verse and the chorus, which are both pretty similar. Something you can do behind the verse and chorus, and there's a whole load of fills, 4-bar fills, and I'm going to give you a whole selection of those fills. Let's start off with the verse. So if we're going to play the melody of the verse, it goes like this. Now notice that there's a 5-bar section at the beginning, so C minor, E flat, B flat and 2 C minors before we get to that bit, and that's what makes the chorus and the verse slightly different, so that can be a bit confusing, but every chorus and every verse ends with 4 bars of C minor, and there I gave you probably the simplest fill you could do, which is a C with a G above it, giving that nice little harmony, 5th harmony. But I'm going to give you a whole selection of different fills you can put in there. If you're doing the verse, then we have to have a single C minor bar instead of a double C minor bar in the middle. So here we come into the verse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. So that's simple enough, but the fill I did there it's one of the nicest ones on the original, and what I've done is I've got a C with a G below it, and then a C with a G above it, and then up to 3rd position to give an E flat on the 2nd finger and a C above it. And people will recognise that as being from the original, and they will like that. All the rest of the fills I'm going to give you are typical fiddle fills, but not from the original. They're just kind of standard phrases that I have dragged up out of my memory. Now, assuming you're going to be playing behind a singer, you're going to want some backing. So, first question, how to choose 2-note chords. And I do have a video all about this, but for C minor, C with an E flat above it will be good. For an E flat, an E flat with a B flat above it. For B flat, you could do a B flat with an F below it, and for C minor, same as we had before. So you could just use those and nothing else if you wanted, but there's lots of different combinations that you could use. So let me just do as let's say long notes through the chorus. pretty boring after a while, so something a bit more rhythmic might be useful, like off beats. Let's just hear that with some backing. If you're into chopping, I'm sure you can find something interesting to do. Let's just hear that with some backing. And as I've discussed earlier, chopping like that is a hazardous affair, and it's perfectly possible that you will start this song as a proud and confident member of the band and end the song as a disgraced ex-fiddler. So apply it with caution. So having shown you 3 possible backings, let's now do just a string of fills. And I'll show you first of all these without any backing. And I'll show you them slowly, and then I'll just run through them one by one up to speed. So each of these will fit as 4 bars at the end of any of the choruses or any of the verses, and indeed as an intro or an outro at the very beginning or end. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or a bit faster, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's another one, 2, 3, 4. Or up to tempo, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if you wanted, you can double up the C with a G on it, and that nice little slide is good. Here's another one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or up to tempo, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's another, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's a nice one with a syncopated melody and some parallel fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4. A bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's another triplet one. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4. Here's another. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4. Another triplet one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then finally another parallel fifths one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't suggest that you learn the whole lot. I certainly don't suggest that you learn them in order, but hopefully it'll give you a clear idea of where you're going to put your fills, of how long those fills are going to be, and of the general sound, of what they could sound like. And if you were doing this song, let's say in E minor, a lot of these would actually transpose quite easily, but it will certainly give you an idea of the bluesy feel and the flowing feel that is something that you need for a song like this. I'll finish by playing just the fills, so I won't do any of the verses. I'll do the two fills from the beginning and then through the rest, because it gets quite confusing if you're trying to follow the verse and the chorus and the fills. If you'd like a copy of all these dots, then do subscribe and send me an email and I'll send you a PDF copy. See you soon.